Hi children, good morning. So we will continue tangents are normal. What is the question? Show that tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. So show that tangents to the curve. So what is our curve? Y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. What is the slope of the tangent? Dy by dx is equal to 21 x squared. Now, dy by dx at x is equal to 2. What is it? 21 into 2 squared. So, 21 into 4. 21 into 4 is what? 84. Now, dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 is equal to 21 into minus 2 squared. So 21 into 4, that is also what? 84. So what we can say? Actually, this is a slope m1. This is the slope m2. So m1 is equal to what? M2. Therefore, what we can say? Tangents are parallel. Tangents are parallel. So this is the answer. Next, find the points on the curve y is equal to x cube at which slope of the tangent is equal to y coordinate of the point. So what is y is equal to x cube? This is our curve. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is 3x square. And slope of the tangent is equal to what? Y coordinate of the point. So what we can say? 3x squared is equal to y coordinate. 3x squared is equal to y. Actually, y is what? X cube. 3x squared is equal to x cube. So 3x squared minus x cube is equal to 0. So x squared into 3 minus x is equal to 0. So you are getting x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. Now when x is equal to 3, y is equal to what? X cube. That is 3 cube. What is 3 cube? 27. Therefore point is 3 comma 27. For the curve y is equal to, what is our curve? Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x raised to 5. Find all the points at which tangent passes through the origin. So you take, let HK be the point. HK be the point. So what you can say? HK be the point. So we can say K is equal to 4h cube minus 2h raised to 5. That is equation number 1. Okay, understand? Now, what is slope of the tangent? Dy by dx is equal to 12x squared minus 10x raised to 4. Now, dy by dx at h comma k is equal to 12h squared minus 10h raised to 4. 12h squared minus 10h raised to 4. Now, what is the equation of tangent now? Equation of tangent is y minus k is equal to 12h squared minus 10h raised to 4 into x minus h. Now what is happening? Since it is passing through origin, since it is passing through origin, what you can say, 0 minus k is equal to 12h squared minus 10h raised to 4 into 0 minus h. So what you will get, k is equal to 12h cube minus 10h raised to 5. K is equal to 12h cube minus 10h raised to 5. That is equation number 2. We know that from equation number 1, k is equal to 4h cube minus 2h raised to 5. So you can equate these two. So 12h cube minus 10h raised to 5 is equal to 4h cube minus 2h raised to 5. So 8h cube minus 8h raised to 5 is equal to 0. So 8h cube is common. So 1 minus h squared is equal to 0. So you are getting h is equal to 0 or h squared is equal to 1. H squared is equal to 1 means what? H is equal to plus or minus 1. If h is equal to plus or minus 1, what is k? h1 ആവുമ്പം k is equal to 4 into 1 cube minus 2 into 1 raised to 5. 4 minus 2 is what are 2. So the point is what are 1 comma 2. Next, when h is equal to minus 1, what is it? K is equal to 4 into minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 raised to 5. So what is it? Minus 4 plus 2. What is minus 4 plus 2? Minus 2. So what is it? Minus 1 minus 2. So the points are, and one more is there, here h is equal to 0 means k is equal to what? 0. The points are 0, 0. So the points are, required points are, what you can say, points are 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. This is the answer. Now, find the points on the curve x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. X squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now, 2x plus 2y into dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, y dy by dx is equal to minus x plus 2. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to what? Minus x plus 2 by y. But tangents are parallel to x-axis. Tangents are parallel to x-axis. So what you can say? Dy by dx is equal to 0. Dy by dx 0 means what is 0? Minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to what? 2. When x is equal to 2, what is y? 2 squared plus y squared minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So y squared minus 3 is equal to 0. Y squared is equal to 3. Y is equal to what? Plus or minus 2 root. Therefore, the points are 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. This is the answer. Now, find the equation of normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, which are parallel to the line x plus 4y plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So, what is our curve? Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. What is dy by dx? 3x squared plus 2. Okay. Now, what is slope of normal? Slope of normal is minus 1 by dy by dx. So, minus 1 by 3x squared plus 2. Now, this normal is parallel to the line x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. So 14y is equal to what? Minus 4 minus x. Y is equal to what? Minus x by 14 minus 4 by 14. So there what is slope? Minus 1 by 14. But these two are parallel, so slopes will be equal. So what you can say? Minus 1 by 3x squared plus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 14. So 3x squared is equal to 12. X squared is equal to 4. X is equal to what? Plus or minus 2. X is equal to plus or minus 2. Now, what are the points now? Therefore, when x is equal to 2, then y becomes what? 18. When x is equal to minus 2, then y becomes minus 6. So the points are 2, 18 and minus 2, minus 6. So what is the equation of normal? You have to find out equation of normal. What is equation of normal? Y minus y naught is equal to dy by dx into x minus x naught. So equation of minus 1 by dy by dx. Y minus y naught is what? First, y minus 18 is equal to find out equation of normal only. Y minus 18 is equal to minus 1 by dy by dx is what? Dy by dx is 14 into x minus 2. So simplify, you are getting one. Another is y minus minus 6 is equal to minus 1 by 14 into x plus 2. To simplify these two, then you will get the answer. Okay. Now, two curves intersect at right angle if the tangents to the curve at the point of intersection are perpendicular to each other. രണ്ട് കർവ് റൈറ്റ് ആംഗിൾ ഇന്റർസെക്ട് ചെയ്യണമെന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ആ രണ്ട് കർവിന്റെ ടാൻജൻസിന്റെ പോയിന്റ് ഓഫ് ഇന്റർസെക്ഷൻ എന്തായിരിക്കണം? പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ടു ഈച്ച് അതർ ആയിരിക്കണം. നോക്കിയേ, prove that the curves x is equal to y squared and xy is equal to k cut at right angle if 8k squared is equal to 1. So what you have to take? X is equal to y squared, xy is equal to k. So what you can write? Y squared into y is equal to k. So y cube is equal to k. So y is equal to what? K raised to 1 by 3. If y is equal to k raised to 1 by 3, what is x? X is y squared. So k raised to 1 by 3 the whole square. What is it? K raised to 2 by 3. Now, for x is equal to y squared, you know differentiating 1 is equal to 2y into dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 1 by 2y. Now, dy by dx at k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 k raised to 1 by 3. Now, second equation is what? Xy is equal to k. So, x into dy by dx plus y into 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to what? Minus y by x. Now, dy by dx at k raised to 2 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 is equal to minus y by x. It is minus k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3. You know the two curves cut at right angle. So what is our M1? M1 is minus 1 by k raised to 1 by 3 and m2 is what? Minus k raised to 1 by 3 by, here 2 is there, k raised to 2 by 3. Now, since the tangents are perpendicular, m1 m2 is equal to what? Minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 k raised to 1 by 3 into k raised to 1 by 3 by k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. So k raised to 1 by 3, k raised to 1 by 3 cancel. So you are getting 1 by 2 k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1. So 2k raised to 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Therefore, squaring 2k raised to 2 by 3 the whole squared is, sorry, cubic is equal to 1 cube. So you are getting what? 8k squared is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay. This is very important problem. This is frequently asking question also.